shoppers across Europe are starting to see the effects of the war in Ukraine in their wallets and on their supermarket shelves, as both Russia and Ukraine were the largest importers of wheat into Europe. And Ukraine was also the largest producer of sunflower oil. But now, other industries are also being impacted, such as the production of glass.
But glass in particular has now cropped up as a big problem because there seems to be bottlenecks in the ordering system, in the whole supply chain, in the value of the product, which is affected by the cost of energy. It's a product which requires a tremendous amount of energy, but also the raw materials to make the glass are becoming also extremely expensive. And if we consider that so much of the industry was occupied making the vials for our vaccines over the last couple of years, millions and millions and millions of vaccines, all packed in glass, this has created a dramatic shortage on a global level.
The production of Europe's glass is currently in the hands of a couple of big firms, and one of them has several factories in Ukraine.
Ever since the end of the war, we have developed this idea that if you have an extremely efficient supply chain and an extremely efficient industrial process, you can cut costs to the bare minimum. But actually, we did not consider the tremendous risks that there is in living in a just-in-time society. So it may be that we will have to revisit our way of working and our way of actually managing our societies, our industries, our supply chain, leaving a little bit more breathing space and not cutting the costs so much in every single area.
Glass production is also becoming increasingly more important in Europe, as the material is one way to step away from plastics.